Garlic is a plant of the onion family. It is a popular ingredient used in cooking because of its strong smell and delicious taste. Throughout the history, garlic is mainly used for its amazing health and medicinal properties. Most of its health benefits are attributable to sulfur compounds released when a garlic clove is chopped, crushed, or chewed. In addition, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and B1, selenium, manganese, fiber, calcium, potassium, iron, phosphorus, and copper are some other nutrients that garlic is rich in. Most importantly, garlic is low in calories. So in this video, we are going to look at 6 proven health benefits of garlic. Number 1. Garlic has anti-hypertensive properties. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is one of the most important drivers of heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. Studies indicate that garlic supplements have significant impact on reducing blood pressure in hypertensive individuals. Garlic stimulates the synthesis of nitric oxide, which is a potent blood vessel dilator and an inhibitor of the angiotensin-converting enzyme, which increases blood pressure. Number 2. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties. Persistent, chronic inflammation is a major cause behind many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and arthritis. Regular consumption of garlic reduces the risk of these diseases by inhibiting formation of certain inflammatory proteins. In individuals who already have the disease, taking garlic has shown to reduce the progression of the disease, especially diabetes and arthritis. Number 3. Garlic helps lower blood cholesterol levels. Blood cholesterol, especially LDL, has a bad reputation due to its ability to induce cardiovascular disease and stroke. Therefore, it is extremely important to keep blood cholesterol levels in check. Studies have shown that garlic is able to reduce LDL cholesterol by minimizing their production in the liver. However, garlic has no significant effect on HDL cholesterol. Number 4. Garlic has antioxidant properties. Oxidative damage from free radicals contributes to the aging process, cancer, and several other disease conditions. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. Garlic supplements have shown to be effective in increasing antioxidant enzymes in humans. It is postulated to be effective in reducing the risk of brain disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Number 5. Garlic enhances the immune function. Garlic improves the immune system through various mechanisms, including modulation of cytokine secretion, macrophage activation, and enhancement of antibody production. In addition, garlic has anti-allergic properties as well. These immune-supportive actions of garlic help fight many infectious diseases such as common cold and flu. Number 6. Garlic reduces excessive blood clotting in the body. Excessive blood clotting is associated with fatal disease conditions such as deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism, stroke, and myocardial infarction. Platelets play a major role in the clotting process. Studies have found that garlic can reduce platelet aggregation, preventing excessive blood clotting.